preliminary exam. Okay, wait. What are you crying for? Hold on. Case number 25S01289FT, People's State of Michigan versus Unique Bishop.
Morning,
Courtney Rose on behalf of the people.
Ms. Bishop's approaching. For the record, Patrick Gagan, we have Ms. Bishop.
Okay, Ms. Gagan.
This is the first appearance before your court. Discussed the matter with my client. I didn't provide her a hard copy of the police report. Speaking with her judge, we would like to set the minutes in exam.
Okay.
Did discuss with Ms. Bishop that she does have a right to a hearing within 21 days. Understanding we would be comfortable setting out outside of that time period.
All right, let me talk to her about that too. I know you did. What's your name, ma'am? And Ms. Bishop, you're scheduled today for I believe it's a probable cause conference. And this is on the felony charges. We have count 1, fleeing or eluding the police, 3rd degree, 5-year felony, $5,000 fine with suspension of the driver's license. Count number 2 is felonious assault, carrying 4 years, $2,000 fine. Count 3 is the misdemeanor of malicious destruction of property, $200 or more, less than $1,000 in a domestic relationship. That's 1 year, $2,000 fine, or 3 times the amount of the property destroyed, whichever is greater. And count 4 is a misdemeanor domestic violence, carrying 93 days, $500 fine. So you have the right to the preliminary examination on the 2 felony counts. Count 1, the fleeing and eluding, and count 2, the felonious assault. The other charges are kind of just trailing along with that. But certainly you have a right to have an exam on the felonies within 21 days of your arraignment date and within 7 days of today's probable cause conference. So you understand that? You don't? Okay. So a preliminary exam. Okay. Wait. What are you crying for? Hold on. Oh, I just got a new box of tissue. Where's tissue?
Oh, okay, let me give her tissue instead.
Ooh. Okay. Does she need some water? You need some water? Water? Okay. You got to get it together now.
Judge, just the records.
I know you don't want to be here, but listen. There's nothing. It's been charged. Okay. Nothing you can do about that at this point. I don't know what happened. This is just a charge. You're not guilty of anything at this point. That's what the hearing is for. First of all, the hearing is to determine if they have sufficient evidence against you to support the 2 felony charges. So they have to show probable cause, which means kind of like more likely than not that the crimes were committed, and sort of more likely than not that you were the one that committed those 2 crimes. So it's not like a trial where they have to prove it beyond a reasonable doubt. It's a preliminary hearing. That's why we call it a preliminary examination, just to test the sufficiency of the evidence. So if it comes back after we have the hearing that a crime or both crimes were committed, but is not connected to you, but they can't show you were the one who might have done this, then the court would dismiss. Or if it comes back that no crimes were committed at all, then the court could dismiss those as well. So you got to just wait and let the process go through. I don't know what happened, if you did anything or not. Everybody always has regrets about circumstances. And that's okay to have regrets about whatever the circumstance was. But now that we're here, we got to just see that process through. Okay? And for you, I always believe prayer always helps. That's all I can say. Okay? So you understand that you have a right to have that hearing within 21 days of your arraignment date. Real quick turnaround, 7 days from today. You understand that? 7. But your attorney's indicating that you're going to waive that time frame because we are kind of booked up. He may still need to review everything with you. I'm not sure about that. But do you mind waiving so that we can set it a little bit further out than 7 days? Is that okay with you? Okay. All right. How many witnesses on this?
Most likely two, Judge.
Two witness exam.
Course available February 6th at 10 a.m.
I have a question. I'm planning to take my daughter to these.
Get to that as soon as we're done, Ms. Bishop. If I may, I have another exam set on that Friday.
Okay.
Would the court consider one more Friday the 15th?
Yeah, we'll give you another day. Mhm. Is that a good date? 13th? Oh, where'd she go? She just assumed that was good, I guess.
And Judge, I can get to it now, but her request is she does have out-of-state travel planned to Florida in February between the dates of, I believe it was the 5th and the 8th.
Where are you going, Orlando?
My daughter for her birthday.
February 5th to February 8th? Well, I'm not going to penalize her because of something you got yourself into. So I will definitely allow you to travel. And my assistant will do an order allowing you to travel to Orlando, Florida from February 5th to February 8th. All of the prior bond conditions will be in effect. So let's see what those were or are. So she will let pretrial services know when she's leaving. So there's still pretrial services supervision. And she has to check in with them when she gets back. And she has to do an ETG test immediately upon return.
Judge, I believe she's ordered right now to do testing.
Yes, and that's why we're doing what we're doing.
Is it that decision for today?
No.
And we comment to Ms. Bishop. I mean, we could read
Ms.
that
Bishop.
request.
I'm sorry, but we're going to be imposing upon your life right now. These are things that you have to get done. You just have to step up and get it done until this is over. Okay?
So you're coming back.
So, what's the new date?
Friday the 13th. That's
Who's sitting?
February 13th. February 13th at 9:30.
Okay, February 13th at 9:30. Got a new clerk. Okay. His bonds continue. 21 days. I mean, her bond, and 21 days is waived.
Thank you, Judge. Nothing further.
Okay, all right.
For another PCC.
Yeah, no, that's an exam date.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, Michael, you're not changing. Oh, you watching?
Hey,
You what?
and Brittany Bible,
No, the next one was Mitchell.
Mitchell.
Yep.